Hey everybody, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse.
And Michael from HiQ Greenhouses.
And you are watching Gardening with Deb.
And Michael.
Last week, we showed you a new pot. We have another new pot to show you.
Yes, and for that I have to stand up and back up.
It's a big one.
Look at this.
It is 24 inches, so it measures 24 inches from outside to outside across the circle.
And Debbie double checked.
I did double check because they are not always what they say they are.
No.
And this is a wire basket, but it's moss lined on the outside. So you get that beautiful moss look. And what I love about these, is that they come lined with plastic. So when we plant these, we have to line them ourselves with plastic. And I'm really excited these come lined because it takes a lot of extra time when we're planting.
Yeah.
So, and they come with this super heavy duty swivel metal hanger, which I prefer over a chain. If you're getting baskets, getting a heavy duty metal hanger is better because when you are trying to take that pot down, you have to be on a ladder to take the chain off, but this way you can lift it up.
And this, like Debbie calls it swivel, but yes, this turns over here.
Yeah.
And so it can hang any which way. So even in the wind, when it turns a little bit, you don't have to worry about the hanger breaking, twisting. So this is very heavy duty because it's got 5 strands.
5 or 6?
Six even.
It's
Six even.
It's
yeah.
a 6-strand heavy duty hanger. Again, super excited. These you'll get multiple years of use out of because it's a nice mat and it's all kind of sewn and woven on. So we will be doing a workshop with these. So if you want to come to a workshop, plant these. We're going to have a workshop, I think it's April 24th. You can come plant it. We will be planting vines in the side and then some other plants on top, your pick if it's for sun or for shade. And it's going to be fun. So you can sign up for that right now. That's already online.
Yeah. So there's a lot of advantages to planting a moss basket on the side as well as on the top. Like a plastic basket, you can only plant on the top. But these ones here, will be during the workshop. We'll actually be poking holes in here and inserting the plant so that the roots go through the plastic into the soil.
Yep.
Yep.
Yep. And then you get really long vines.
That's right. We can hang vines, but it also gives you that natural look, and it gives you right away an ability to fill out the plant on the top. So a nice mounting plant on the top, as well as on the side. But we will be focusing on the side.
And then for this workshop, you'll plant it at the greenhouse. It will stay here. We will hang it up, and you will come back to pick it up after May Long weekend. Someone's asking, are we selling the new pot? We are not selling it empty. We're a greenhouse. We're a boutique greenhouse, and what we specialize in is plants. So we search for cool new pots, but we don't sell them empty because we're not just like a distributor of hard goods.
You're not, and you want to make sure that the customer gets the best experience.
We do.
And planting it the proper way with plants that match in habit and in color, is very important. So that's why it only is sold planted, and you're going to get a better result because by the time you take this home after the long weekend or at the long weekend,
it'll be ready to hang.
That's
outside.
right. If you plant something in here, it's going to look rough for weeks, and you're not going to get the same result all summer.
So we will have some planted in store, but that's not a pre-order item because we will let our team be super creative and plant whatever they want in them.
Yep.
Yeah. So we're excited about that new pot. And again, we found this at one of the conferences we went to. So greenhouses, I encourage you to get out to conferences wherever you can. If you want information on where I got that pot, send me a private message and I can hook you up.